that unboxing video. Yeah, you know that package I was teaching you tutorials on how to ship from AliExpress to Nigeria. I've gotten my package. Ta-da! So let's see what's inside. Let's get into the video. If you guys can see this pack, I'm here to sparkle as well. Welcome to another mind-blowing video. So in this video, let's see what's inside this. Let's go. So this, I don't know what this. Guess what's this? Oh, this one is slides. I want to start from the biggest to the smallest. You know, I love the big things. Big things. We all like, yeah. So let me start with this one. This one is the biggest. How do you see what's inside? Oh, this is the cap. Let me wear it so that you guys can see it. Wow, it's so fine. A giant cow. Rate it. Yeah, it's looking like it was hard. So this is the first. After that, this ear. Oh my god, I'll be killing it too. Oh my god. Your favorite fashionista, stainless ladies back here. This one is not ear warmer. Oh, so nice. But this hair will not allow me to wear it well. So it's to cover my ear. Because of this hair is up like a crown. That's why I cannot really cover my ear. Okay, I'll do it from here. Okay, like this is covered. Hey. Okay. And it's like you can fold it like this. So nice. Then okay, there's still something like that. Okay, this one is the fringe for that my looks like it will be nice. So just for the fringe, whenever I'm wearing that bone suit, I'll just attach it to it and see. But it looks kind of small, but when I install it, I'll see how it's going to look like. So that's the third one. I hope they're button inside here. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one is LED light. In case I'm outside and it's very dark, like when I'm shooting outside content in the night, and it's already lit, then I want to shoot content, I can just use this loop cube light here. Very important as a creator, but it's very small. Of course it will be bigger than this. You can just clip it to your phone. I think I need to charge it first, right? Just flip it to your phone like this. Doesn't matter. Okay, just like this. Can you increase the? Okay, you can change the mood. Hey, as you can see it. See now, it's bright in my face like a night light. Oh, maybe cloud settings or something. Wonder. Okay, it's off now. So pink. I got it in pink. Nice, right? Nice, right? My mom is even enjoying the unboxing video. Then I think I got like 5 items. Then okay, this one works. Let me keep this one for it to fall down. Okay, see, it came with a USB charger to use to charge it. So I'll charge it before I use it. So I'm excited though. Yesterday package came, today again, and that package came. It's so nice. Thank God. I'm so excited. So guys, when you want to ship from AliExpress, you don't have to fear anything. As far as you follow through the process, yeah, it can take 2 weeks before it arrives to Nigeria, but you don't have to worry. So far as you sort it through the right means, you won't get scammed or disappointed. So what's this one? Let's see. I don't even know what's inside, but let's see what's inside. Let's see. No, it's me that bought this one. It's me that ordered this one. I needed this one. I mean that again. I mean that again. I'm not. My nails. Let me just try. It's giving me headache. So this one is giving me headache, but I'll prevail. I'll open it whether I like it or not. So just stick it there. I said it was open whether I liked it or not. Okay, and I figured it out. Okay, this one is for the nose. Like, I saw Coral video wearing this and I loved it. I said I will buy it and wear it. It's for like nose ring and like something like this. Let me show you all. And then clip it like this. I think I'll use it for my life today. People will just be looking at me. Who is this girl? What's this? Indian girl. Okay, so let's see the next one. You want me to wear you? She's not lying that it's Zuri that wants to wear it. So let's see the next. But this one I'll wear it today. I'll do videos with it. Okay, then the next is this one. I don't even know what is inside. But let's see. Huh? No, it's me. Okay, it's the glasses. So whenever I'm streaming, because of the light, so it's not disturbing my eye. So this is the glasses. Oh, it's fine. No, I'm not spraying it. It's nice. Hey. Better. I used to stream tonight, so join my life and see it. This one is especially for streaming. Yes, I like it. It has swag. Yes. It serves two purposes, for style and Nasuna. Kidding. I talk like my mom. Kidding. And the last, I don't even know what is this though. Let me see what it's like. Yeah, I don't know this particular one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this one is stone green. Stone green. To change this one, I've worn this one for too long, so I want to change it to something else. I don't even know if it's the correct size, but let me see if it's the correct size. I think it's the correct size. Which color should I use? There is this color. What's this color? Is it ginger or so? There is blue. I think there are 5. Can you see it? Like 5. 1. This one is light blue. This other one is like royal blue. I have here lemon, orange, and ginger. 5. I will change it. And which one should I even use? I'll use this light blue. At least something to change, and no, not every time I'll just be using this particular one. To change style too. So that's the end of the video. Wait, let me sip my water. The water is still cold. Very nice. Stanley Cup. I've accessorized this. Yeah, but maybe I might still add more accessories. Look at how it looks like right now. S for stainless. So that's where we've come to the end of this video. If you watched this point, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.